Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now we have to find biometrics and security. On the second position we've got fingerprints, so simply tap on it, and here this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint. So here you've got the info that you will be able to unlock your phone with it and verify yourself in apps. So simply tap on continue, and here we have to add an additional screen lock. We can choose the pattern pin or password, and it is very important to remember it because this is another way to unlock your device. For example, if the fingerprint sensor won't work, and thanks to this you won't have to go through whole hard reset operation, which will obviously wipe out all your data, all personal data, all photos, and so on and so on. So just make sure that you will remember it and pick the one you like the most. I will pick the pattern. So right now I have to draw it, tap on continue, redraw it and confirm. Now we have to scan our fingerprint, and to do it we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see, let me change the lightness. And as you can see, we just added our fingerprint to this device. We can add another or simply finish it by tapping on done. Here we can back up our pattern, but I don't want to do it, so let me get back. And here we've got all options connected to the fingerprint. Here we've got our fingerprint, and by tapping on it we can rename it, and it's a quite cool option, or remove it if you want. Remember to tap on save. As you can see, the name has been immediately changed. We can add another fingerprint, of course. Here we've got, let's say, a test for the fingerprints, so by tapping on it and placing your finger on the sensor you can check and your device will tell you which finger it is. So let me get back, and here you can decide for what you want to use your fingerprint for. So you can use it for unlocking your device or for the Samsung account. Obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to use. If you'd like to turn it on or off, as you can see, to turn it on you have to have the Wi-Fi connection. So I will leave it like this, and let me check if it will work actually. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. Okay, and as you can see we just unblocked our device, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, there's another way to unlock your device just by using the screen lock. I mean, this one you just set, so in my case it will be fingerprint, the pattern. So as you can see it also works, so it means that we just successfully finished adding our fingerprint. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.